Hello, today I've got these two potatoes here. I'm going to attempt to cook them in this FRYER XL. So let me get started with it, and first thing we'll do is give them a bath over here in the sink, and then we'll be right back. And the next thing we'll do is poke some holes in them with this fork. And by the way, this is Around the House with Kay and Tom. I'm Tom. Okay, scampering around here somewhere. Now, next thing we'll do is put them in this bowl here. I'll use some Mrs. Dash here, a little bit of this complete seasoning here. So I've got my sprayer pumped up a little bit. And we'll spray them down pretty good with oil. Work it all in. Okay, now I've got them all down good. Got me a fresh pair of gloves on. Well, put some of this Mrs. Dash in here, pretty liberal amount. Before I get my hands messed up again, I'll put some of this complete seasoning in here. Yep. Now we'll work this in real good here on this oil. Oh yeah, those are looking good already. Okay, now I've got my basket out of my FRYER XL here. I'll take the lay of these potatoes in there. Like that. Scoop up a little bit more of that stuff that'll go. Oh, those look good already. Didn't know better, you'd be thinking you're ready to eat. Now, next thing we're going to do. Okay, now we're going to take and put this basket in this FRYER XL here. And we'll go turn on the power like that, and then we're going to go up to 38 minutes, and we'll cook at 390. And then we'll go hit the power button again, and it'll take off. Okay, and there it goes. Now, of course, we'll check back with it in a few minutes just to make sure how everything is and take a temperature reading here. So we'll be back in a few minutes. Okay, we're down to about 14 minutes now. Just out of curiosity, let's look and just see what they look like in here. Oh, they're looking pretty right there. Well, I know you can't see that. I'm going to get me a cameraman one of these days. And, so you can see everything. There they are. Now, let's see if I can get them back in and get them going again. And there it goes. Well, got a chance. If y'all can join my channel and give me a thumbs up, I sure would appreciate it. Thank you very much to all you people that watch my videos and join my channel. Okay, now this thing is down under a minute here, and so I'm going to, as soon as it stops, I'm going to open the door and check the temperature with my handy dandy thermometer here. I'm pretty sure it says, everywhere it says it has to be about 210 degrees. Oh, while I'm thinking about it, just about anything you see me with on this video here, I have links down below So if you see anything you like, take a look and see if it's down there in the link, and if it's not, let me know and I'll make sure I put it down there for you. Alright, let's check the temperature now. Well, it fell right in there. I think it's got about 5 minutes to go because it just barely is over 200. It's about 205 or something like that. So I think we'll put it back in and let it go for just 3 or 4 more minutes. In order to do that, you have to put it back in here. You hit the power button, run the temperature back up to 380. And then the time, I'll put 5 minutes on it. And I'll hit the power button again and it'll take off. Now, about 5 minutes, we'll be ready to be eating some baked potatoes. Okay, now it's about finished with that 5-minute cook here. So, we'll see what we got this time when we open the door. I'm pretty sure that's going to be it. Oh, yeah. Now, let's see here. Oh, that thing just falls through there. It's got to be done what it says it is or not. Oh, yeah. That one's up there too. Both of them about the same. Well, they were about the same size, so I guess that's why they're both about the same. So anyway, now we'll go get these out and put them on plate and start getting them ready. Okay, now we'll carry this over here. One potato there and one potato there. I tell you, it's talking about normal people, I go. Those are too big for most normal people to eat, but I'm sure we'll take care of them somehow or another. Oh, me. And so now, okay, here we go now. This is about it for these potatoes. They're delicious as usual. I forgot to put salt and pepper on mine. Mash it together a little more. There it is. Now I'll put some butter on it. It's parquet squeezed butter. And then we'll have me a little bit of Daisy sour cream with mine here. Not a lot. I'm not a big sour cream lover, but it's not bad sometimes. There you go, just like that. And that is how you make your baked potato in the Power Fryer XL. And I hope you enjoyed my little video, and I hope you'll watch more of them, and I hope you come back and see me real soon. Until you do, y'all have a real good day now. Thanks again for watching. Goodbye.